In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user flares that boost engagement in Reddit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create and manage user flares in your subreddit so they not only look good, but also encourage your community to participate more. Let's start from your main Reddit view. First, click on your subreddit. Make sure you're on the community where you have moderator permissions because you'll need those to change flare settings. Once you're on the subreddit's homepage, look for the option called Mod Tools. This is your moderator control panel, and it's where most of your customization options live. Go ahead and click on Mod Tools. Inside Mod Tools, find and click on Look and Feel. This section controls how your subreddit appears to users, including themes, emojis, and of course, user flares. Within Look and Feel, you'll see an option called User Flare. Click on User Flare to open the settings related specifically to the little tags that appear next to usernames. Now from here, you may want to double check you're still in the correct subreddit context. So once again, confirm you're on the right community and, if needed, reselect your subreddit and re-enter Mod Tools. Then go back into Look and Feel and again choose User Flare. This just ensures that if Reddit refreshed or switched context, you're still working in the right place. Once you're in the User Flare settings, click on Flare. This is where existing flare templates are listed and where you can add new ones. To create something new, select Create Flare. This opens a form where you can define what the flare says, choose colors, and decide whether users can select it themselves, or if only moderators can assign it. Take a moment to think about how your flares can support engagement. Things like roles, interests, achievement levels, or participation in events are all great options. After you've created the flare template, click on User above, or the relevant tab that lets you view and manage how flares are assigned to specific community members. This is where you can search for a username and apply one of the flare templates you just created. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. Reddit will guide you through saving your flare, choosing permissions, and confirming any assignments. Once everything is saved, head back to your subreddit and check a few posts or comment threads to make sure the flares are showing up correctly. With your new user flares in place, your community now has a more visual, organized, and engaging way to interact.